Hello fam, this is official day increase. So my people, as you can see from the hoodie I'm wearing, it's written Child of Grace by Milton Kizzy to us. So this is on his courtesy that I'm promoting. My people, here is a special message that you need to know. 28th of November, my people, Nairobi is going to be full. It's going to be fire. It's actually going towards one of the biggest concerts featuring a lot of celebrities across the country. Ali Joma, Kim Swag, Single D, and Marco Atem, among others. Hit makers around the globe, they are going to be there. So in case you're interested in this hoodie, my guy, just look, the quality of the cloth is very high. Make sure you DM me. It's got a 4,000 Kenyan shilling. Make sure on that day, my people, Nairobi is going to be lit. Make sure you start grabbing one shirt or one t-shirt for my brother Milton Kizzy. Hopefully I'm going to see you there. We will celebrate this night, we kill it, and we say it a special night for my brother Milton Kizzy. Hopefully I'm going to see you there soon. Let's go, my people.